Drew, what's that noise?
It's a frog outside. It's been doing it for like an hour.
What? Did it quit? What? Drew, that's way louder than a frog. What is it? Go get Matthew, please. That is really loud. Kitty, what is that? What the? I don't know what it is. Go get Matthew. What is it? And a flashlight. Tell Matthew to get a flashlight.
Watch out.
It's super loud. Well, you need a flashlight.
I think it's a cow.
What the heck is that?
I don't know, but it sounds big.
It's like a duck.
Well, get Matthew and a flashlight. What do you think it is?
I thought it was a cat, but I don't know.
Do you think that's Franklin?
Kitty.
What the heck? Hurry, run, Drew. I don't know. Well, tell Matthew to come help. I can't go look. I need you guys to go look. What is it? What the heck? Did the cat fall in the pool? Like, can you guys run? I'm kind of getting scared.
Oh, if it is in the pool, I'll jump in and grab it.
What can it be?
I don't know. Somebody hold this open. I got you. Oh, man. It's right.
What is it? Did you hear that noise? Put it to your chin. I know, but touch it to your chin.
I don't hear it. I don't hear it anymore. That's a frog.
Where is it?
Tiny.
Where is it?
Right here. Oh my gosh, that thing is so small.
So,
Look how tiny that little thing is. Look, why are you scared? He's in the pool. Look, look how small he is. Oh,
what the heck? That's a lot of noise for a little guy. Are you serious? Is it really him?
wow. Look at this way.
That was loud.
See?
What?
Can we get him out?
Yeah, we need to get him out. Watch, he blows up. His little under pouch blows up when he makes that noise. Man, he's so little to make that much noise. I don't know. He's under the waterfall. So dizzy.
You have to wait for you could hear it from all the way over here.
Yeah, that was super scary.
Come on, little guy. Oh, stop going away. Stop. Right there. Where? Oh. Right there. Oh, come on, dude.
Did you get him?
Yeah.
All right, little buddy. Go find your friends. Thank you, Drew. Thank you, babe. What do you see?
He's not even in it.
Flip it upside down over in the net. I think you did get him. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you got him, babe. Flip him over, not over on the, no, that'll all just blow in the pool, babe. Throw it over the fence.
You sure?
Yeah, he's in there, Drew. You got him, babe.
He's not in here.
Well, he's not in the pool.
He probably is, you just can't see it. You swear he's not in there? He's not in there. He's not in there.
There's something coming out of him.
Look.
He's buried in there. See? You see that little thing behind him?
The little thing behind him.
Right there. Right. Oh, there. Yeah. Do you not see that?
I see it.
What is that?
A leaf.
That is not a leaf.
That is not a leaf.
Mom,
is
that
it?
no, it is
That?
not.
It's not a leaf.
Are you talking about?
Yes, that is not a leaf.
That's his leg. That's his leg. The kitty scared her.
Mom, that is not his leg.
Oh.
He's a weird leg then.
I think he has long toes. You want to get him? You want to hold him?
No. He has spots, doesn't he? I haven't looked at him. Looked at his spot.
I don't think he is that red spotted toad.
Oh my gosh, that thing was loud.
He was super loud.
I didn't even know you were talking to me.
Yeah, I
Like
kept
we're
going.
playing the same TikTok over and over.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Yeah, see, those are just his legs.
He's got some long little legs, man.
Look at them. They're super cool. Watch. Try and hold that right there.
I got it. I'm not scared of it.
Oh, my nose itches.
I'm not. I'm just trying to hold this thing.
Unless it hops out at me.
That's
Then
gonna be
you're
a
on your
sad
own.
day.
Then you're on your own.
My little friend.
Don't help him.
You should just get him, Drew.
Oh my gosh, I thought that was Franklin in the pool then.
I
Once you
started to
said
get
that-
scared.
Once you said that, I was like,
Yeah,
oh,
I don't know what made me think that, but it kind of did scare me.
I didn't even think
Okay,
about
little
that.
frog. Where is it now? Oh, he's in this corner over here.
Throw those goggles out.
They're
Watch out.
dirty though.
Whoop! Plop. Okay, goodbye, little friend.
Does it have spots on him?
No, he's not that red spotted one, but he is kind of small, so maybe he'll grow up to be spotted. I don't know. Let's see. He's beautiful, though.
Ow! Jeez, that's
Man, that was super loud, little frog.
Where's your mom? Mom, where's the blanket?
His blanket's on his bed.
Kitty, come here. Kitty.
Hang on, I want to get his feet. They're super cool. Oh, he's neat looking, Capri. Look at his feet.
Kitty. I haven't seen a little frog in a while.
He's super cool. It looks like blood, but it's not blood. It's he's just got stuff in him. Hi, kitty.
Surprised the kitty didn't eat it.
I know, the kitty. Kitty, you're kind of in my way. Hi, kitty. I know, kitty, I know.
I don't think it's dead, but it's not moving.
No, it's not moving. He's super, like, scared. There he goes. Now he's moving. Now Capri's moving. I just want a cool picture of his eyeballs.
That's the second time I've had a mini heart attack.
Hi, kitty.